Hello. Yes, my friends. Today I am introduction my new about my new EA that I have created. Before of this EA works on the news time. When the news or the fundamental, then it works. Now I am opening the MT4. This is the MT4. First of all, I will test it on the gold and GBP USD. Both of the pair I will check. So this is the experiment number one. Once I have loaded the pair, and I will took the EA file from navigator. This is the EA file, and now I have opened the input system gap between the pending order. Just I am putting the one, and the total pending orders that I have put it 5. Now after opening, once I put the button pressed, after pressing the button, you will see system will automatically open the orders with the buy stop and the sell stop. So the system open 5 buy stop order and 5 sell stop order. Now we have to wait for the market movement. Once the market move either at the in the upside or in the downside, we have not an issue. Now market have touched our first order of the buy stop, and it is converted into the buy. So if the market go up, then our more order will hit. Once our target hit, system will automatically close each and everything, and then it will wait for your next order. So the pair we are testing is the GBP USD. The first order system has activated with the buy order, and we are again waiting for the moment. Just the market move in the news time, then we have used this system. So I think in the news market will move in the upward direction, so our buy order will be the activated. The system will automatically open the orders with the buy stop and the sell stop with the your given target, mean the pip gap, how much you are placing between the order, total lot sizes, how much lot you want to open, mean the how many orders, counting of the order. Now market going up, look, our 3 orders up to now activated, and once we will get the profit target, the system will automatically close. Now our profit target is 1.65. Just it hit the $3, system will close each and everything. Now you see system is closing everything, and we have got the dollars target hit message also, and we see our target is achieved, and system has closed automatically each and everything. Now if you want to see from the account history, the system activated buy order, and after hitting the target, it achieve our profit also. Now the same procedure we will repeat again to clarify what it done. So again I am testing on the gold pair. So we have the target lot size is the 0.0. Okay, I have putting the lot size is the 1. Gap between pending order is the 50, because for the gold you have to add extra 0. Total pending order number is the 5, and the auto cut is the $50. When the our profit, okay, I have changed into $100 profit. Now we will see if can we take the $100 profit with this system that I have already set it. Lot size is 1, pip gap is 5, and target is $100. So once we are waiting, if the system, I think system going down now and the market going down, so we have to see what happening. If the our first order is activated, the first order of the sell stop is activated and it converted into the sell, and we are waiting that the for market movement. So market, once the market move downside, then we will get the profit. Either it will go upside, then also we can get the profit. So this system will help you to open the orders just within one click, and it will close automatically all the order when the target hit. The main function is this: when the news time come, market moves suddenly, everybody knows. So on that time it will open the order and close this system very suddenly, and you will get the target. So you have no need to put the sell or the buy, because system will both side automatically put. Our first order hit it, and a little bit profit also come, but we waiting for our target to achieve the $100 target. The lot size and the pip gap and the target depend on your account size. So must use the money management and follow the rules that you have already using in the forex market, because this market is very dangerous. So please be careful to use with the money management. So now we are waiting, the one order is activated, but the market shows that maybe it will come downside from this marketplace. So yes, it is moving down. We have activated the second order also. Now market going the down, then we will get the good profit. Once the $100 profit come, then our system will close each and everything automatically. So again I am telling you that use this system when market have more volatile. Yeah, it hit the target, and the second target of $100 we have achieved. So now look at the history. We have achieved one order have achieved $91, and second have achieved 51 and 1. So the total profit is 100 and little bit more, but it is not an issue. We have get our target. Now going for the third experiment. For the third experiment, lot size is 0.05 again, and gap between the order is the 5 pip, and our target is so now I have pressed the auto trading, and we now want to see what happening when the market go up or the down. Then we are touching our profit or not. So again, anyone want to this system, he must follow the rules and apply this system before the news time, before the 1 minute of the news, when the fundamental heavy news coming like NFP, interest rate, or the jobless claims. then you must use this. Okay, I have put the pending orders. Again, I am using the gold, and now the lot size is 0.05. Now system coming down, and first order activated. Only you have to press the button and wait for the target. System will automatically close each and everything. When the news coming, so everybody know, uh, and nobody have knowledge that the market will go either up or down. So you have don't worry about that, because this system put both side order. So if market go downside, it will hit the sell stop order, and they will convert it into sell. And after 2 3 order converting, your target reach, each and everything should be closed. But if the market go upside, it will touch the buy stop, and they will convert it into buy, and system will close each and everything once the target achieved. So when the heavy news coming, then you have to chance earn more. Now we are waiting for the market movement. Already we have put the orders, and the one sell stop order is converted into sell. The lot size is 0.05 for the gold. This is our third experiment. We have tested in the first experiment, we have achieved target. Second, in the second experiment, we have achieved $100 target, and now this is our the third and last experiment, in which we will see how we getting the target when the market move in one direction. So anybody want to interest by this EA, he can touch with me. I have provided each and everything in the description, my phone number, my email, and my WhatsApp number. So please contact on the WhatsApp number. I will reply you, and then we will settle down the price and further conditions. So now 3 orders already activated, and a little bit profit also coming, but we are waiting for our target. Also, if somebody want to changes in this EA, if he have some good idea and he want to change, then also I will provide that service also. Now the target achieved $10. So the $10 target achieved, and each and everything is closed. So this is the best system to help you getting the good profit. So I am showing you this on the history, how the orders total are closed and how much profit is coming. So in the last experiment, we have achieved $10. Before of this, we have achieved $100, and then before, this is my contact numbers. You can contact with me and get this EF.